Hello and welcome to Unit 3, Handling Data 3. In this video we will solve an exercise about the mean. The exercise says, the heights of all players in a basketball club are shown in the table. Find the estimate of the mean for this frequency distribution. So take a look at this table. You have the first column that has the height range, and you have the second column that has the number of players within that height range. So we have the value and we have the frequency. Now, to calculate the mean, the first thing you're going to have to do is we have to decide on the midpoint of each value. Since the value right here is not given as a clear number or as a clear unit, it's given as a range. So we need to find the exact midpoint within that range and consider that as our value. So for the first one, we have 165 centimeters and 170 centimeters. So between both of those, we have 167.5. And we're going to do the same thing for all of the heights of the players. The second one has a midpoint of 172.5. The third has a 177.5. The fourth has a 182.5. This one has 187.5. This height range has a midpoint of 192.5, and the final one has a midpoint of 197.5. And now we need to copy the exact same frequencies that we had in the old table into the new table since the frequency doesn't change. We had 2 players for the first, 4 for second, 5 for third, 6 for fourth, 7 for fifth, 7 for sixth, and 4 for last. So now we have to multiply the value by the frequency. So 167.5 times 2 is 335. The second one is 690. Third one is 887.5. The fourth one is 1095. This one is 1312.5. This one is 1347.5. And the last one is 790. So now, after we have multiplied the value by the frequency, we should add all of those products, all of those numbers within the third column. We have to add them to come up with their sum, since their sum is used in the formula that we will use for the mean. So their sum is 6457.5, and the number for the players is 35 players. So the mean is equal to the sum of all values divided by the number of those units. So 6457.5 divided by 35 players is equal to 184.5. So the mean is 184.5 centimeters.